we are going to have a look at the tactical flashlight that we offer. We'll get right into unboxing this here. You get a flashlight made of aluminum, very well made. Offers the zoom option, but let's fire it up and see what we got here. Back end unscrews, and then you have this that comes out. Now you can choose to do 3 AAA batteries or one of the 18650 batteries. I happen to have one of those. That's what we're going to test with. Got it here. Drop it in. Turn that back off. Very well made. And you have a light. Also has the zoom in. I will take this outside here in a second and check it out in the dark. But you've also got a couple more options. You got a strobe light on it. And that's just done by double clicking the button on it. And you've got this low strobe light. It's actually doing SOS. We're going to be comparing this to the far more expensive one-tack tactical flashlight. As you can see, similar in size. Little bit bigger on the one tack. Function is the same though. They both do the zoom, all that. Difference is $14.99 for our tactical flashlight and $59.99 for the one tack. Let's take a look outside and see what the differences are. All right, so we're outside now. As you can see, it's dark out. That light is from a street light. Let's just do a comparison on the 2 flashlights and see how they stack up. First, we've got the one tack $60 flashlight. It was a very nice job lighting up, of course. Now we'll check out our tactical flashlight. Very comparable. Let's pull the one tack back out. We're gonna do the zoom option here. So when you're in the zoom one, it gives us a smaller beam, but with more range. So we're gonna aim for that tree up there. As you can see, the one tack lights it up very well. You can even hit those trees that are far away. All right. Hope my neighbors don't get mad about that. Now we're gonna do our tactical flashlight. Put that on the zoom mode there. As you can see, concentrated beam. We're gonna go for the same tree. Lights it up very well too. One tack probably has a little advantage on the narrow beam. You can see it a little better here in person, but on the video, I see it's not coming out as well. But if I had a third hand, we could control them both here, but bring out the one tack again. So you can see the difference. The one tack does light it up better at range, but when you're up close like this, where you're gonna use a flashlight mostly, you can see the one tack. And one more time on our flashlight. Oops, don't want the strobe mode or the SOS. There we go. As you can see, it does a very good job lighting up. So for your difference of $60 versus $15, you can see that the Our tactical flashlight still does a very good job. And that's it, lighting it up at a distance there. Very nice. Thanks for watching.